In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to conduct product research on JungleScout. If you're looking to launch or scale your Amazon business, JungleScout is one of the best tools to ensure you find profitable products with ease. Stick with me till the end, and I'll also reveal how you can access this software for free and get some exclusive bonuses. So make sure you don't miss that. Now, when you first jump into JungleScout, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface. The software is packed with features, but I'm going to focus on the key tools for conducting product research, especially if you're new to this. To start, the product database is your go-to tool. This allows you to filter through thousands of products across multiple categories. You can filter by criteria like price, sales rank, estimated monthly sales, and even review count. This makes it super easy to spot products with good demand but low competition. A great trick is to focus on products with a solid amount of sales but not too many sellers in the space. This is the sweet spot. Next, the product tracker tool is invaluable for monitoring potential products over time. Once you've found a product that catches your eye, you can add it to the tracker to observe how it performs daily. You'll get real-time data on sales, prices, and reviews, which is vital when making an informed decision. One of JungleScout's most powerful features is the Keyword Scout. This tool allows you to see what people are searching for on Amazon. It'll give you insights into relevant keywords, search volume, and the competitiveness of different search terms. You can target these keywords in your listings to improve visibility, making sure your products show up when potential customers search for them. Another great tool is the supplier database. If you're looking to find suppliers for your products, this feature is perfect. It shows you a list of suppliers that manufacture products similar to what you're looking for, along with estimated shipping costs, which helps you calculate your profit margins before even launching your product. Lastly, don't forget the sales analytics feature. This allows you to calculate your profit and loss, manage your expenses, and track performance so you can adjust your strategy in real time. It's a great way to make sure your business is on track and profitable as you grow. Remember, JungleScout isn't just about finding products. It's about making informed, data-driven decisions that will set you up for success. The tools are designed to save you time and give you the edge in Amazon's competitive marketplace. And here's the best part. You can use this software for free right now with our exclusive link below. Plus, you'll get access to extended bonuses that will help you make the most of your product research on JungleScout. So, if you're serious about Amazon FBA, conducting product research with JungleScout is a game changer. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive free trial and bonuses. Happy selling!